If you want to install a new driver for your sound card, then follow me and together we will have your driver installed. Click on Start and select Control Panel. In the Control Panel window, double-click on System icon. In the System Properties window, click on Hardware tab and click on Device Manager button. Open Sound, Video, and Game Controllers from the list and double-click on the sound device. Click on Driver tab and click on Update Driver button. Follow the instructions appearing on your screen to complete the update process and click on Finish. Click on OK. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a new driver for your sound card on your PC.